came to 160 already in just 1 year, wherein Australia and China represent 60% of the ports that gave these kinds of findings.
Conference this year is important for two aspects. One is because I think that we call the conference the frontier of the ship. The other aspect of the thing that we will try to analyze is the impact of the new rule that is having on our day-to-day work.
Indeed, it is a big challenge for us addressing this crew shortage. But I am also convinced that there is also a reason for optimism. That if we make smart and programmatic choices of plans, the world's maritime industry can be brighter.
Investing towards a sustainable future is not an option but a necessity for growth, sustainability, and survivability. The creation of IMAFIL Cadetship Program with the support and commitment from our partners, our valued ship owners and ship managers, will be a significant driver of business success and solution to manpower shortage in the future. Tailor-made technical courses based on client-specific nature of operation, application, and business objectives aligned to the table of competencies of STCW 2010 amendments is the new focus of the Italian Maritime Academy. We can increase the supply by engaging ourselves to a cost-effective talent strategies such as cadet program and career development program offered by IMA. We can start preparing and investing now and work towards success and guaranteed returns in the future.
To take the opportunity because I know